Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add auto caption to our TikTok video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and here I'm going to create new video on TikTok. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and for example, I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. I'm going to select this option and then I'm going to choose my video. Wait guys, I'm still choosing my video. Okay, this one. I'm gonna go with this video and I'm going to add auto caption to this video. And here you can either click on the edit if you want to go to the editing tools, or you can click on next. And I'm just going to click on next, and then we can just click on this little arrow and find the captions menu. Okay, just click on the caption and you can change the language right here. There are some captions languages for you, and you just need to choose the language according to your video. And since this video is in English, so I'm just going to select American English. And okay, now as you can see guys, that the auto caption has been added to my video, and you can change the style of the caption if you want. Just go to this menu, and here you will be able to change the font and then also the color of your caption. I'm gonna go with this one, and for the color I'm gonna go with this yellow color. You can also change the alignment right here. You can also add background to your text. Okay, then you just need to click on save after you're done selecting the style for your caption. And if you're not satisfied with the caption, you can edit the caption right here, and you will be able to edit the caption one by one like this. Okay, and once you're done editing the text on your caption, you can click on save. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I'm just going to click on save, and after that we'll be able to post this video with auto caption to our TikTok. Okay, I'm just going to click on next, and once you're ready to post your video, you can click on post. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add auto caption to our TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.